Virtualization gives organizations the opportunity to maximize the use of their servers and improves data and hardware management. When paired with cloud applications, virtualization creates powerful and flexible data centers that can be utilized for both present and future needs. In Mile2's Certified Virtualization Engineer course, we will introduce you to the fundamentals of virtualization planning, deployment, and management. You will learn how virtualization improves data management in almost any business environment where more than 20 persons are employed. Virtualization has many benefits, including long-term cost savings, management of multiple desktop and operating systems, and controlling information sharing, which is why many organizations are adding virtualization to their traditional server structure. This fast-paced, hands-on course will lay the foundation needed to construct and manage a top-performing software-defined data center focused on the latest virtualization and cloud technologies. Move into the future of data center control and management with Mile2's Certified Virtualization Engineer course.